Pat Collins' Pat SkinSmarts. Reawaken, rejuvenate your skin this fall with many facial benefits of pumpkin. Turn your kitchen into a fall facial spa. I'll show you all the natural ingredients found right in your kitchen. Let's go. Pumpkins are rich in vitamin C and can heal the skin. It works as an antioxidant. Pumpkins also contain natural enzymes that exfoliate your skin without scrubbing. A patch test is always recommended before applying these masks to your face to check for skin allergies. Store leftover recipe in a tight container for up to 3 days. Use a small bowl combining pumpkin and honey, and if cinnamon is desired, you can stir in as well. And mix very well, evenly to your skin, avoiding the eye area. Depending on your skin tone, whether it's dry, normal, oily, or combination, there are different variations of add-ons that you can put into your pumpkin puree, such as a half a teaspoon of Greek yogurt, crushed fine almonds or almond puree to exfoliate. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. There are many benefits of pumpkin facial masks, such as brightening your skin tone, ridding it of dead skin cells, hydrating and nourishing the skin, reducing inflammation, and fighting acne. Be sure to rinse off your pumpkin facial mask with warm water. Gently removing it from your skin. Then following up with your favorite moisturizer. Don't forget the neck. And enjoy your beautiful glowing skin from Pat Collins' Pat SkinSmarts Pumpkin Facials.